Hey guys, Steve Theodore here, longtime Supra owner from the mid-90s and your number one hardtopper. I want to ask a favor from all of you. So yesterday at World Cup finals, Vlad Yevtushenko's car was destroyed, was hit hard. He was running in the qualifiers with Joel Granis. And Joel's car speared into the side of his, took both of them out. I'm sure you've seen the videos. They're pretty graphic. The good news, they're both okay. Cars can be rebuilt, mostly. People can't. So we're celebrating the good that comes from that, but it's time to do something. So Vlad is somebody extremely deserving of our support. So please see the link in the description. Started a GoFundMe. Let's rebuild his car. Let's help him fulfill this mission that he wanted to do, that he deserves to do, to show us, his passion, his dedication. This is a family man. He's a deserving man. He's a pillar of our community. This isn't right. So let's do our part as a community to help him. Let's put this right. Let's help him to rebuild that beautiful ex-Jamie Carter Supra and show us what he always intended to. Please share this video. The link is in the description to the GoFundMe for Vlad. He's very deserving. Let's give of ourselves. Let's help make this situation much better. Thank you for your generosity. I appreciate it, and I'm sure Vlad appreciates it too. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.